Hi, my name is Nikki and I'm a dance teacher for LatinQuarter Dance School and we're based in Belfast. This tutorial covers the basic footwork of East Coast Swing. This basic is used throughout the beginner stage in any East Coast Swing Jive class. So learning the footwork before joining a class would be a major advantage. The timing is as follows. The 1, 2, 3 of the first chassis is on the first 2 beats or the first slow. The 4, 5, 6 of the second chassis is on the second 2 beats or the second slow. The quick, which is the 7, 8, is on the next 2 beats or the third slow. The 7, 8 or quick, is a fast rock step. The heel does not touch the ground but acts as a spring, propelling your weight forward. Now let's have a look at the leads footwork for East Coast Swing. Lead starting on the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Notice the bounce on the 1 and the 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. On behalf of LatinQuarter, I would like to thank you for taking the time to watch our video. If you would like to view more videos, you can find our YouTube link on our website www.latinquarter.uk.com.